Good day guys, this is Siptoway, and in this video I'll teach us how to fix the Gitcoin trust bonus. Recently Gitcoin has updated their trust bonus process, so every user, either old or new, have to use the new procedure to set up their trust bonus. Remember, you must have up to 150% trust bonus percentage to be eligible for rewards even after donating on Gitcoin. The first step is to get your GitHub account, log into GitHub, then you log into your Gitcoin account with your GitHub profile. After logging in, you select your profile at the top right corner, then you scroll towards my account, then you take another scroll towards profile, then you click on profile. You take a scroll downwards, you select trust bonus amongst the option. Click on trust bonus. You fix the bot notification, submit, then you click on the first step, which is create. Yeah, it will work depending on how fast or how great your internet network is. You select connect wallet, choose MetaMask, after connecting your wallet you have series of options to use to verify your Gitcoin profile. You can either connect your Facebook account, your Gmail account, your Twitter profile, your GitHub name, BRAT ID, POAP. Any of the 8 profiles will help you in fixing up your trust bonus on Gitcoin. But in reality, you need only 4, let's say 3 to 4 out of the 8 options to have the minimum 100% required by Gitcoin. The first step, you can start from Facebook. You can start anywhere or anyhow you prefer. I'll start from Gmail. Click on Google, sign in with your account. You sign the transaction. You wait out the network as it loads. The faster your network, the easier it gets done. Then you connect your Twitter account. The same protocol, you wait, accept, confirm, authorize app. They are all simple steps, simple and straightforward. Another alternative that you could use if you do not have a personal laptop is to do this using your Yandex browser on your Android mobile phone or the Kiwi browser. Connect GitHub. Everything depends on your network provider. It depends and determines how quick and how early you are done with the verification process. Then you connect your social profile, Facebook. That's also done. There's a pop-up notifying you about what you are trying to do, connecting your Facebook to Gitcoin. You sign the transaction. The last step I'll be doing is connecting my Bright Audio profile to the Gitcoin trust bonus process. Take a scroll downward and then you scan this barcode with your Bright ID app. To connect your Bright ID or to get a verified Bright ID account, you need to download Bright ID from the Apple or the Google Play Store, then use the features on the Bright ID app to get verified by joining a Google Meet meeting organized by the Bright ID owners. After scanning the code, you follow the instructions, the prompt on your mobile phone, and then you select connect Bright ID on your laptop. Everything depends on your internet network provider. Yeah, so it's a straightforward process. Then you select verify. As you can see, I have verified Facebook, Gmail, Twitter, GitHub, and Bright ID. After doing this, you go back to the gitcoin.co webpage. Then you connect passport using MetaMask. You select the same wallet as you have selected earlier while connecting your wallet to the Gitcoin passport page. You wait out the procedure. Then step 2, you score your passport. It will reveal your trust bonus percentage. You can see I have 145% out of possible 150. Then you select save password, save passport. Yeah. After completing this process, it simply means that I am eligible for rewards if I donate on the gitcoin.co donation platform. You can also do the same. Remember, you have to complete your trust bonus percentage before donating or before the end of the donation round on the 23rd of June. Have a good day.